Today I have fun socks. Foxy socks. Hey everyone! Today I would like to talk a little bit about side stretches. Everyone knows that in yoga we do forward folds, back bends and inversions, but oftentimes side stretches are being overlooked. So today I would like to pay attention more to the side stretching and how to do it. You can start in your bed, especially if you're doing lazy exercises. Just going from side to side. Maybe stretch your arm. Maybe pause to open the side of your body. That will give you a really nice start for your digestive system. Then you can, when you're already up, if you're already up, you could do some other side stretches. That includes this kind of stretches. From side to side. It doesn't really matter on which side you start. And again, maybe pause. Make sure that you're drawing your shoulder blade back and not jotting your hand, your arm from the shoulder joint. These are super easy to do. You can do them even in the chair. Next one of my favorites, includes balancing. So for that you will have to get up, cross your legs and clasp one of the wrists. Stabilize without switching the legs. Fold to the other side. Ooh. Make sure you keep your balance. Then you switch your arms, switch your legs, like so, and repeat the same. Notice the difference between the two sides. And back to center. Standing, you can also do simple side stretching. Gliding your hand alongside your legs. And that would be it. Now your sides are open all the day. Have a good one.